This delicious, smooth and velvety mango pudding recipe is just perfect for your dinner tonight, and it's very less time consuming. So let's begin. I have cut few mangoes and I'm going to take out the flesh of the mangoes, and we need a smooth paste out of this. So I'm going to put it in the blender, and into it I'm going to add sugar according to taste. I'm going to add here around about 1/4 cup or a little more than that, and into it I'm going to add 1½ cup of milk into it, and I'm going to blend it. And after blending it, I'm going to strain out the mixture with a strainer so that the fiber from the mangoes doesn't remain. So to get rid of the fibers, I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to discard these fibers. And now I have got a smooth paste of mango. And now I will grease a pan, which I have forgot to show you. I've greased a pan, and into it I'm going to add this mango mixture, and remember, we'll do it in a slow flame and keep on stirring continuously. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt, because into sweet dishes you need to add salt to enhance the taste of the dish. And now I will take 1/4 cup of corn flour, and into it I'm going to add ½ cup of milk and make a celery out of it. And you can add Agar-Agar if you have. Right now I don't have, so I'm going to make this with corn flour and stir it continuously while adding the celery of corn flour. Remember, your flame should be in slow, and stir continuously so that no lumps forms. And while it gets thicker, I'm going to add a little bit of essence into it, mango essence, as when we just make something out of mango and we heat it, then the essence of the mango dims out. So I'm going to add few drops of mango essence into it, so that the mango flavor comes into the dish, and cool it down in room temperature. And meanwhile I'm greasing a pan, a bowl, where I'm going to set this, and I'm going to add some chunks of mangoes to get a good taste. While you eat the pudding, the mangoes come to your mouth. Wonderful, it likes. And now I'm going to add round about ½ teaspoon of lime juice to enhance the taste also. And now I will pour it over the bowl, and I will smooth it out with the spatula, the top of the pudding, and smooth it out, and tap twice to get rid of the air bubbles. And now I will cover it with a clean flame wrap and set it inside the freezer for about 30 minutes or till it's set. It depends upon the freezer. So around about 30 minutes my pudding has been set. It may take a little bit more time if your freezer is not that much chilled. So now I'm going to flip it over the dish and see, wow, it comes out easily because I have greased it with some butter. And now I'm going to cut it into slices and serve it chilled. Enjoy it, and its smooth velvety taste. Believe me, before the mango season goes away, do try this and let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to follow my Facebook page, that is Orchid Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen. Bye bye, take care till then.